What up YouTube, we'll come back at you with a new video. This is regarding the whole SumUp situation. Now I did pop a video which was pretty much pointless about the whole SumUp card machine and how it was blocked, but yeah, I went ahead, I sent them an email and I got a response back via email. This is back in June when this happened. They said they can't do anything with the card terminal. This normally happens if it's a safety mechanism that pops up when it's heat or cold temperatures, which never occurred. But anyway, they said send us the serial numbers and we can maybe go from there and maybe we can resolve it for you. So I went ahead, I replied back to the email and sent the serial numbers to them as well, and I'd waited to see what they said. So I got another email back. Thank you for contacting SumUp. Fortunately, as explained in the previous email, not possible to unblock the card machines. As soon as it's blocked, please reply back to the serial numbers. So I literally got the same thing again. So basically they can check the warranty to see if it's covered under warranty, and they can send me some free replacements. So I was like, fair enough, you can send me free replacements. Great job. Okay, so there's some success. We're getting something sorted there. So I went ahead and sent the serial numbers again to them. So anyway, I got a response back from them saying that can you please return the card reader back to them as well. Here's a free returns label. Click on the link, enter in your order number, etc. I'm going to cover up the order number for obviously my personal reasons. Click next and do whatever, and then obviously they'll send you a replacement order number, and then obviously you post it to them via UPS, drop it off, and then obviously you get your replacement card machine. So I went ahead, packed up the old card machines that were blocked, because I've got 2 card machines that were in fact blocked at this stage. So they contacted me back regarding this whole situation. Actually, they didn't contact me. I reached out to them saying what's going on with my card machines. It's still not sorted. So someone on the phone spoke to me regarding this whole situation and said, well, okay, sorry about that. What we will do, we'll go ahead, we'll get 2 replacement card machines sent out to you. So I got the package. I got an email that says package is on its way, so it's out to me. So I didn't pay anything. It's £69.60, which was paid. Nothing was paid because obviously these were covered under warranty, and I was basically waiting for these card machines to come out. So I got another email, and this was back in, I got another email finally in July saying for some reason the driver was unable to deliver the package to the shipping address, being delivered to the nearest collection point, and the nearest collection point was like a mile away. So thanks for that. Went to the collection point. They didn't understand what exactly they had to give me. Tried clicking on this button that said view pickup point. I said, look, here's the pickup point. I'm here to collect the parcel. Here's my name, here's my ID. They couldn't find a package there. Long story short, August came around, still haven't received my replacement card machines, and I haven't spoken to SumUp yet. Had situations, things that happened in August, hence the reason I wasn't able to upload any videos, but I'm still waiting for these card machines. But if you are in the situation where you've got this whole situation with your card machines, they are blocked, reach out, speak to SumUp. Emailing them doesn't actually resolve anything. Call them up, speak to them, tell them this is the situation, your card machine is blocked, give them the serial number, they'll check it up, get them to send you out replacement. Hopefully you don't have the situation that I had, where they were unable to deliver my card machines to me, and they delivered it to some weird location, and the South Indian idiot across the counter, I'm Indian myself as well, so I'm not being racist here, but the guy didn't understand a single thing. Didn't understand you're offering a pickup point, give me the order with, and I ain't gonna get into it, okay? I'm not gonna stress myself out. The whole point for me is just not to stress myself out anymore and take things easy. Anyway, that's the situation with the whole card machine. Hopefully this addresses everything, and if you have that issue, call them up, and hopefully this can get sorted for you as well. This has been Ace, being a quick little video there. Like, subscribe as always. Peace out.